Hey y'all, it's your girl K-Day Motovlog, and I just edited and uploaded my first motovlog. So I want y'all to come along, make sure you log in, go to turboluxury.com, check it out, leave a comment, let me know how you like it. It was so much fun doing it for y'all, so let me know what you think. Holla at you, peace, and make sure you slay all day, every day. Alright.
Somebody come and look at this. Come and look at this.
It's another day with your girl K-Day. Today going on the bike wash. First gotta go to the gas station.
Could you get like 10, please?
Well, I'm still on half a tank. Alright, y'all, so if you were wondering, I have a Kawasaki, actually a 2011 Kawasaki Ninja 250, and I love her. Her name is Naomi. And it's so beautiful outside, as you can see. Any chance I get on her. So I'm just cruising right now, enjoying the ride, enjoying the sun, the scenery, because it's like this pretty much 90% of the time. It's pretty cool. And I really love riding my motorcycle. That's not good. Wait, did I pass it? Oh, damn. Oh, shit. I passed it. I had to go and turn around. I was like, oh shit. I passed it. It's ducked off right here. At least I know where it's at. It's hot. It's always hot. Okay, wait till it cool down. It should be soon. Should be cooling down soon. It should be like our last hot month. Alright y'all, it's your girl K-Day Slay. Thank you so much for riding along with me. I do apologize for being away, but I wanted to make sure I bring you more great videos to watch. Thank you again for riding along. Remember to like, comment, and share. Subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so next time I upload, you can see all the new videos that I upload. thank you again. It's your girl K-Day Slay. Remember to always slay all day, every day. All right, peace.